Hi, I'm Jenny, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the most amount of wood out of a single pallet in under 10 minutes, only using 2 tools. So let's go. Alright, so when I used to do this, I would use a hammer or a crowbar to separate these 2 pieces of wood. There's 2 nails here on the edge, so I would just stick it underneath and try to pry them apart. It was really time consuming, and then these edges would split and I'd lose a lot of the wood that I wanted, and it was really inefficient. Really, all you need to use is this $20 jigsaw that I got from Walmart and a hammer. I run the jigsaw really, really close to this edge, about as close as I can get without hitting this other plank that's right here. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. So another really great thing about this jigsaw is that it's really quiet. So if you are doing your DIY projects in an apartment, that's a really good option for you. So if that's something that's been holding you back is the noise of these projects, I would highly recommend getting a jigsaw. So now that we've done that, you will only have 2 nails in each board that you have to remove with a hammer or a crowbar instead of the 6 that you would have had originally. Now the fun part, I'm going to use a hammer to get some of these out. Some of them you can just pull out with your hands. Otherwise I'm going to use the back end of this and kind of wedge them all out. So you're going to hit these little pieces of wood with the hammer until they all break or chip off, and then you're going to tip it back up and pull the nails out with the back of your hammer. Alright, so it is all taken apart, and it took about 15 minutes to disassemble the whole thing, so you could get that down to 10 flat, no problem. So here's everything we have all laid out. The only waste from this entire thing are these little scrap blocks. Just do a good look over your workspace, make sure there's no nails laying around. You don't want to step on them, you don't want your car tires to drive over them. There are a lot of them that come out of just one pallet. If you need any ideas of DIY projects to do with your pallet, check out our channel. Otherwise, have fun making all your pallet projects. So if you like this video, there's a good chance you're gonna like a lot of the other stuff we do. My husband and I put out 3 videos a week. We build lots of other stuff. We have a big variety. So go check it out and see what we're making this week.